Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video, we'll continue start learning about Tkinter and learn about the label frame. Now, label frame is like a mini window that goes inside the main window to organize widgets, and it's very helpful and very useful. So let's get started and learn about this label frame and how to use it. So first of all, we need to import Tkinter as Tk. The second thing is create our window. So window will be equal to tk dot. Let me just very quickly adjust my keyboard. All right. So tk and give it title. So the title will be label frame, and we need to create our label frame. So label frame equals to tk dot label frame, and as any other widget, parent window and text will be section 1. Maybe you can give it anything you want. And finally, we'll use the grid geometry manager. So it will be row 0, column 0. Now let's finally window dot main loop, run it and see if we get any output. Nothing is showing. Why? Because we need to create some widgets that goes inside the label frame. So let's go ahead and do that. I will create a label. So label equals to tk dot label, and this label, it will be inside the label frame. So label frame and text will be how awesome is this. And of course we need to call the grid system. So grid will be row 0, column 0. So as you can see, label frame can have his own or its own label or grid system. So now you can see here is our label and here's our label frame. It has a border, and here's section 1, the text. So it will be like this is a section in this window that does a specific thing, and we give it a title. So it's an awesome way to organize your widget. Let's continue building on that. Let's add a button. So btn will equal to tk dot button. By the way, if you are tired of always typing tk dot button or anything like that, you can just say from Tkinter import button. Now you just remove tk and you are good to go. And the text will be button, all capital. Anyway, so button dot grid will take row. Let's keep them on the same row, and the column will be 1. Let's run and see the output. Nice. You can see our label and the button. Here it is. And yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you very much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.